Broadmoor welcoming the Newsline cameras and look at the leather being laid. Charles Robertson and then Marvin Jones setting the tone for the Hammond Tornadoes as they were playing some neat defense tonight out at Broadmoor. The Broadmoor Bucks always good in postseason, but having their hands full tonight as Brady Sledge hits Randall Edwards with a 15-yard touchdown. Hammond on top by a score of 6-0, but they missed the point after, and so Broadmoor's got some breathing room. Coach Price doesn't look real happy there. His defense, though, putting up a valiant effort in this one. Second quarter, again, Hammond is driving. The pass incomplete, but there is a flag. Yeah, you got it. Pass interference against the Bucks. We're going this way, and the guys in purple are going to get another shot at a score. It is Garen Seitzman with the field goal for Hammond to make it a 9-0 score for Carmen Moore and his visiting Tornadoes. Then we pick up action. Look at the running. Speaking of hits, just play and blows right there. Derek Janice with a nice pickup, and it sets up the touchdown run right here. Ryan Richard pitching to Ryan Carter, who takes it around the left side just before the end of the third quarter. We got a new ball game. 9-7 with the point after for the Broadmoor Bucks. Yeah, man, whooping it up a little bit. But in the fourth quarter with Broadmoor trying to make the move that might salvage this game and keep their season alive, the ball is laid on the ground. Chad White will scoop it up. What a big play is this. Hammond gets a touchdown out of what was a Broadmoor drive. It turned out to be the center of this one, and Hammond goes on to beat Broadmoor.